Hi everyone, my name is Emma Curran. I'm ASTA's events manager, and today I'm going to be giving you a brief tutorial on how to reserve your education sessions and your trade show block for ASTA's River Cruise Expo. So once you hit the ASTA River Cruise Expo website, you'll go to the Service Center dropdown and select Attendee Service Center. From here, you'll log in using the credentials that you received on your confirmation email or the email that you received this morning. Go ahead and select Sign In. Once you get to the Attendee Service Center homepage, if you scroll down just a bit, you'll see registration updates. This is where you'll add any education sessions, your trade show. This Friday when we open meals, this is where you'll do that as well. So go ahead and click to update your expo activities. From here, you'll select Edit Registration. And it's going to essentially take you through your registration. So you'll see all of your demographic information. You'll want to verify that everything there looks good. You'll scroll all the way to the bottom and select Continue. Select Continue again. And then you'll notice that we have opened education sessions in your trade show block. This will be available to all VIP attendees at noon Eastern today. So go ahead and make your selections. You'll notice that we have multiple blocks over 2 days, so you can select one education session per block. Once you make your change, you'll notice that the rest of the options gray out. If you change your mind and you'd like to select a different session, all you have to do is just uncheck that selection that you made and then just make a different choice. So you'll scroll all the way to the bottom here. Once you make all of your selections for your blocks, you'll want to select your trade show option. So we have block 1 and 2. When you're not in your trade show, you'll be able to tour all of the ships during an open house. Select Continue. Verify that everything that you've selected is what you want. Select Continue again, and then you'll get to the payment page. There's no payment required for any additional sessions. However, you do need to complete registration. If you do not select this button, none of your sessions will save. So this is a very important part of reserving all of your additional sessions for this event. You'll need to check these 2 boxes for our terms and conditions and cancellation policy, and then complete registration. Once you hit this thank you page, you know that everything has saved. You can select print, which will give you a downloadable copy of your sessions. You can also log back into the Attendee Service Center and pull up that confirmation as well. And that is it. It's a very simple process. We hope that everyone has a great time making all of their choices today. And if there's anything that you guys need, please feel free to reach out to meetings@asta.org, and we will do our best to get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.